Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay on Temu. If you're ready to complete your purchase on Temu, paying for your order is quick and straightforward. To get started, open the Temu app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account already. And next is you need to browse for the product that you want to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. Simply open any of the product, or you can also search in the top and type down the product. And over here you need to simply tap on the product. And here, simply select Add Now in the bottom there. And from here, you can choose the color of the product. You can also choose the size of the product here and select for the quantity as well. And after you're done, select Add Now in the bottom. And after that, you need to select Cart in the top right. So over here, in order to pay on Temu, you need to go to this checkout icon in the bottom right. And over here, you can select for the payment methods that you prefer. You can go to this PayPal, Apple Pay card, or this Visa card as well. And before completing your purchase, you need to review your order summary to make sure your item, shipping address, payment method, and total amount are correct. And after that, you need to proceed to it. You need to follow the on-screen instructions. And if you're paying with a card, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information. And after the payment is successful, you will receive an order confirmation. And that is it. That's how you can pay on Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.